Is it?
Yep.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening, wherever you are. I'm not sponsored by McDonald's, but the little one needs some food. However, in this vlog, we're doing actually a lot of driving and not driving because we're going to VR Motorsports in Brisbane. Never been there, don't fully know what to expect, but from what I understand, it's obviously a driving simulator. Archerfield drift tracks on it, and last time I did a VR thing with goggles on, I was sick for 3 hours. I think that might be the case, but we'll find out. So we're gonna go there in this vlog, see how that is, and we're also gonna be taking the BF out in this vlog, testing the coilover. So strap on and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna order me food now. Sure. Tabs, do you know what to order?
Has your order been taken, sorry?
What do we order? Hope they got that order. What's that, buddy? What's wrong with the chippies? This one's the chippies. If you have a 2.5-year-old and you've taken them to Macca's, chances are chippies is all they identify Macca's as, because they just want some chippies. Right, so we BF's loaded up for tomorrow. We're heading to VR Motorsports. I just rocked up to Shannon's place, picked him up, and I just cannot help but laugh at this, depending on how wrecked it looks. She looks cooked. What happened there, little sugar? See that? That's from him hitting me, so that's not even my fault. This here is probably him hitting someone else. Come around to the back though. $35K. Not what we got. Anyway, we're heading up in the drift car to VR Motorsports, so it's like north side Brisbane. How else? You can't go to a racing thing in your normal car. You got to rock up in your race car. That's what we're doing. Speaking of which, oh yeah, hurry up, we need to go. We're running late. All right. Hopefully, I don't know how much filming we're going to do at the VR Motorsport thing. We'll just find out when we get there. I don't even know what it looks like, so keen. All right, guys. So VR Motorsport in Brisbane. Me and Shan. Are you sweating? I'm sweating. I'm warm. Aircon does not work in the drift car due to the, what is it? Evaporator. The evaporator leaks gas, so that's a dash out job, so that's on to do. But we're here, we couldn't find it. It's literally right here, and we pulled up right over there behind the truck, the tow truck. Yeah, and we couldn't find it. It's right here. So we'll go in, hopefully there's aircon, because damn son, it's hot. But that's it there. So we'll see. Right, so it's pretty actually kind of serious in here. They've got like full waiver thing I had to do. It's pretty sick. Oh shit, I do get sick. I got sick with Queen in the car, mate. Bloody heckers.
You'll need 2 of these.
You have to have sick tablets, because if you spew on stuff, you're paying for it. Like, this is what it is. It's sick. Sick. It's like full on legit, like the steering wheel is like full proper feel. So I guess we'll find out when we have a go. I'm keen. Alright, so I'm just going through the list options of drift tracks. I think that's Archie. Just going through the car list. And I mean, you can get a Sora, you can get a Beamer. Why would you want a Beamer? You know what? No AU. Sorry guys, but I'm leaving. See yous. What is it? We're literally drifting at you. Oh dear. Oh dear. I'll deal with it. we're just kind of waiting for our kind of little session. This thing's pretty sick. They look like genuine bolts, hopefully they are. Otherwise I'd be a bit disappointed, but that's pretty sick. I just feel like that's the best
to work out what motor's in it.
3 guesses.
3 guesses. See, this is a fun game.
Maybe a Honda?
Every time I say 3 guesses, people always go, alright, sweet. What's the first clue you got? The exhaust pipes.
Are they on both sides? It's all on one side. If it's, what's 4? 3. Oh man. Oh man.
So this is where
It's 3
people start going, is it a 3-cylinder?
I mean, unless they're just dummy, the exhaust won't fit underneath it. What are the options? I don't know, I feel like because there was a micro motor that was.
Nope.
Was that 3-cylinder micro motor?
Should I just spoil it?
Just spoil it. It's too hard, especially when it's 3-cylinder, because there's so many weird options. So many weird options.
Definitely not a 3-cylinder.
No? Or you run one side out and one side up.
Rotary.
It's NA, because you never see that. That's why. You never see that. That's sick. And that's probably why it's parked here majority of its time. So it lasts forever. So actually today we're here down. I'm part of a crew that we're filming for a TV series. So I can't film everything because that's for that. But I don't even have AUs up here, but the next best thing is a chaser. So hopefully we get a go. Obviously tomorrow as well as part of the TV show that we're doing is I'll be teaching a couple of people how to drift. So obviously I won't be filming that, but just to let you know. So that's what we're here to do at VR, to try and play on the game, give them a bit of an idea of what kind of could happen before they hit the track. So 3 of these people haven't hit the track before, so they're gonna, it's kind of the initiation, I guess, and a bit of fun. So but you won't see any of that anyway because we're gonna test the BF. Maybe I might get a little bit of footage, but obviously I'm limited to what I can do. So cool. So a couple of the girls are running the VR. I'm actually keen to have a go. Alright, so obviously there was no real way I could film myself on the simulator. It's strangely enough, the handling and stuff like that was still similar of like PlayStation, Assetto Corsa, that was the game. So it was alright, but it was hard. But I just felt sick. Like, I even had a sick tab, I felt sick, but definitely there's a lot of people that are doing it really well. So I think it's like a time and effort thing, and it'll be sick. But yeah, I don't know if it's for me, but probably give it a couple more goes, see if we can get it. But anyway, that's for you. Next thing coming is testing coilovers and drift.